Hello everyone and welcome to Anka's Kitchen. Today I want to inspire you to make a delicious summer dessert, a no-bake mango lime mousse cheesecake in a cup that is delicious, beautiful and easy to make. I'm sure you guys will love it. So let's get started. We start with the Chantilly cream that we will use for decoration. This cream needs to stabilize in the fridge for 12 hours before we can use it. The ingredients we need for the Chantilly cream are whipping cream, milk, sugar, gelatin mass, and cream cheese. We put the cream into the saucepan, followed by the sugar and the gelatin mass. We place the saucepan on medium heat till it gets to 60 degrees Celsius because we want to dissolve the sugar and melt the gelatin. In the meantime, we place the cream cheese into a jug, and once the mixture reaches 60 degrees Celsius, we remove it from the heat and we pour it on the cream cheese. We mix with a spatula at first, breaking the cream cheese into smaller pieces, and then we blend with an immersion blender to combine well. We add the cold whipping cream and we stir to combine well. We pour the mixture into a clean bowl and we cover it with cling film in contact. And then we place it in the fridge for 12 hours to set. Next, we prepare the cookie cheesecake base. The ingredients we need are lime zest, any plain crushed cookies that you like, and butter. We place the butter into the saucepan and we cook it on medium heat till it turns a little darker in color. It takes about 5 minutes. The butter is now ready and we let it cool down. In the meantime, we can mix the lime zest and the crushed cookies. We mix them well to combine. Once the butter cooled down, we strain it over the cookies and we mix well. After adding the butter, the mixture looks like wet sand. We place 40 grams of our cookie cheesecake base in each glass and we set them aside. Now we can make the cream cheese mango lime mousse. The ingredients we need are mango puree, cream cheese, lime zest, gelatin mass, sugar, lime juice, and cold whipping cream. First, we whip the cream halfway till it's creamy but not stable. And then we place it in the fridge. Then we pour the lime juice in a saucepan. We also add the mango puree, the sugar, and we mix. Then we add the lime zest and the gelatin. We place the saucepan on medium heat and we heat up the mixture to 60 degrees Celsius so that the gelatin melts and the sugar dissolves. We pour the mixture into a jug and we blend to combine well. Next, we add the room temperature cream cheese and we also blend to get a smooth texture. And we combine, folding the mixture into a clean mixing bowl. Well. and we allow it to cool to 35 degrees Celsius before we add the whipped cream. We add the whipped cream in 3 parts. And our mousse is ready. We spoon 60 grams of the mousse into each cup, spreading it gently to cover the cookie base. And we place them in the fridge to set for at least 1 hour. We also spoon some mousse into a quenelle silicone mold. We will use the quenelles for decoration, and because of that, we want to freeze them for at least 4 hours. At the same time, we set the remaining mousse aside while we make the mango lime jelly, but we also make sure to stir the mousse from time to time so that it doesn't set. The ingredients we need for the mango lime jelly are mango puree, lime juice, gelatin mass, sugar, and glucose syrup. We pour the lime juice into the saucepan over the glucose syrup. We add the sugar, a third of the mango puree, and we place the saucepan on medium heat, and we heat up the mixture to 60 degrees Celsius. We add the gelatin and we stir so that the gelatin melts. We add the cold mango puree and we mix. By adding the puree cold, we cool the jelly faster. The jelly is done and we spoon some jelly in a spiral silicone mold. We will use the jelly spirals to decorate our cheesecake cups. We freeze them for at least 4 hours. Then we spoon 60 grams of jelly into each cup on top of the jelly. And we place the cups into the fridge to set for at least 4 hours for 15 minutes to set slightly. Once the mousse set, we put 60 grams of the crushed cookie cheesecake base into each cup. And now we can prepare to decorate our no-bake cheesecake cups. We take out of the freezer the quenelles and we remove them from the silicone mold. Once we remove them, we place them back into the freezer till we are ready to decorate. Now we take out of the freezer the jelly spirals and we take them out of the mold. And we place them on a plastic guitar sheet and we cut them in half. We place 1/2 spiral into each cup. Then we place a quenelle into each cup as well, leaving a little bit of room in between them so that we can pipe the Chantilly cream too. We take out of the fridge the Chantilly cream and we remove the cling film. The cream jellified and we place it into the mixing bowl. And we mix it on maximum speed till it's stable but still soft and pipeable. We put the cream into a pastry bag. And we cut the tip of the bag. And then we also cut at a 45-degree angle. And we pipe in between the quenelles and the jelly spiral. We also cut thin lime slices. And we garnish our dessert with the lime slices. And to add even more contrast, we grate lime on top using a microblade grater. And as a final touch, we cut small mango cubes and we add them on top. And our dessert is ready. So lovely, don't you think? Here I have my mango lime cheesecake in a cup. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I am ready to try it. It's just amazing, perfect for summer. I love the combination of mango and lime. It's so creamy, refreshing. You guys will love it. Try this recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. Also, let me know what other recipes you would like to see. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a like and subscribe to my channel if you didn't do so yet. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you next week with another video. Bye!